Hi all, in this video I am going to give an introduction to semiconductor electronics. Come, let's go. Semiconductors are a major part of our daily lives. Semiconductors sound exotic and interesting. You might recognize one when you see it, but a surprising number of people would not. Chances are you will never run down to your favorite electronics store to buy semiconductors, and if you encounter one, you are not likely to know it. But you do encounter semiconductors frequently, often many times each day. For 3 generations, the team serving the semiconductor market with custom glass components that serve as motion dampers in semiconductor manufacturing. In semiconductor fabrication, time is money and yield is boss. Manufacturers must move faster, harder, and with more precision. Motion dampers help ensure products arrive undamaged to flawlessly fill dozens of unique needs in our lives. For example, temperature sensors in air conditioners are made with semiconductors. Your personal computer has a semiconductor to prevent overheating and vibration. So many digital consumer products in daily life use semiconductors to keep them functioning better longer, including smartphones, digital cameras, televisions, washing machines and dryers, ovens and refrigerators, and even LEDs. In addition to electronics, semiconductors play a central role in the functioning of ATMs, trains, internet, and most communication. Even the medical network relies on semiconductors to keep it functioning, from filling prescriptions to monitoring neonatal patients to completing lab work, transferring and storing the results. Furthermore, efficient logistic systems, including the transportation of humans and the shipping of consumer goods and perishables, rely on semiconductors to help save energy and promote the preservation of our global environment. The number of car-mounted semiconductor devices is rising. This relates especially to advanced driver assistance systems, where the need is growing for semiconductors. In virtually every way, semiconductors help us to live our comfortable lives that are based on dependable technology. What exactly is a semiconductor? Semiconductors are made of a material with unique properties in the way it reacts to electrical current. A semiconductor is a material that in some cases will conduct electricity but not in others. Good electrical conductors like copper or silver easily allow electricity to flow through them. Materials that block the flow of electricity like glass, rubber, or plastic are insulators. Insulators are often used to protect people from electric shock. As the name implies, a semiconductor does not conduct as well as a conductor. Semiconductors are the foundation of modern electronics. By the addition of different atoms into the crystal lattice, that is grid of the semiconductor, it changes its conductivity by making N-type and P-type semiconductors. Silicon is the most important commercial semiconductor. However, there are others as well. They can be made into transistors, which are small amplifiers. Transistors are in computers, mobile phones, digital audio players, and many other electronic devices. A brief history of semiconductors and the role of custom glass. A semiconductor was foundational to one of the most important inventions of the 20th century. It is a transistor demonstrated in 1947 by John Burdeen and Walter Brittain. They did so with support from colleague William Shockley at Bell Laboratories in Murray Hill, New Jersey. The transistor is a semiconductor device that can amplify or switch electrical signals. It replaces bulky vacuum tubes. Just a few years later, it would lead to the development of the transistor radio. Small enough to be portable, this transistor radio would change the mobility of music and communications forever. During the same period, as radios become part of our cars and a critical tool in the trucking industry, John Rossi founded Precision Electronic Glass in 1962 in Winneland, New Jersey. The Roses family custom glass company grew quickly. Thank you.